put it together. Got hydraulics and everything, but
What?
I went to Mexico and
What part of Mexico you go to?
city,
Oh, Mexico City. Okay, okay.
and then
Okay. I see the switches. Yeah.
yeah, that one has switches.
Ah.
See, like the guy take the fenders off and never even finished.
Oh, he take you apart and just didn't put you back. Yeah. That's no good. That's no good. Okay. So back to money. What you thinking, man? What's the buy it now price, my friend?
Gonna get take 9 million.
So the best you could do is 9?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll be down here a few more days. Now that I see it, I'm gonna talk it over with my brother-in-law. You know, and we can come to some.
One guy too. Before I haven't posted it. I had another one posted. It was already done. It was 3-speed in the column. And he saw that one. I said, "You saw that one?" Yeah. He come and look at it, and I tell her, you know, I want 10 cars running. He tried to give me 8. I was like, man, you're not gonna find a car running in good condition. Now it's not really, really good condition, like, you know, hot.
Yeah.
Color, but you know, that was running, everything, no problem, man.
Yeah, and most of all the cars here, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta put some money in the to.
Put a lot of money in it, man.
And under the car it looks pretty solid. Under the seat maybe a little rust. I'm not sure that I can see. You have to put it up on a rack to see how much to see the floor pan how bad it is, because what.
The other guy said, give it a man.
And he turned down the 8, huh?
You can buy I can find you a car with 8,000, but no with the motor and transmission and all rusted out.
Yeah.
Because man, I've seen a lot of Impala parts, man. They're selling the cars crazy, man.
Yeah, I've seen
crazy prices.
Crazy prices, you know. Some are.
I've been in this in '96. My daddy was a Chevy man. You know, I've seen a lot of reasonable cars with reasonable prices, but sometimes we're like, man, even the 4-doors going out right now.
Yeah, since the pandemic, the prices have changed a lot, and they ain't making no more of them. So you know, it is what it is. So it don't run hot or nothing.
No.
Because I'm asking because you know, if I do decide to buy, I need to drive it to where you live at, Bill? Union City. I have to drive it over there.
If you want to, I mean, I can. I got my trailer. My own trailer.
Yeah. Okay, if we come to agreement, yeah. Do you have the stock 14s, or are these all you have? Is the 15 by 8s, right?
Yeah, because the other ones I have, I use it for the other car. Because CD was in my wife's family's house. So I have 6 of them. And then you know, I start like, hey, let me pour this car.
Yeah.
I start little, you know, bring it little by one. I still got another one with no floors. The floor system gone. The motor and transmission is there, but
the floor is gone.
Yeah, the floor.
Bill, see if the window goes up and down. Okay, it still works. Okay. All right. Well, let me take a few pictures, and I'm gonna be in town a few more days, so I'll make a decision next day or so, and come back with some money in hand, you know. So the lowest you're gonna go is the least you're gonna go is the 9. Okay. Yeah, you get no leeway, huh?
She is beautiful, but they give me no leeway. This roof.
Yeah.
The rust on it,
well, what it's gonna cost is the people to the metal replacement people is gonna cost me the most money, and well, the paint people, you know. The motor can be pulled out later on, as long as it's still running, not smoking too much. You know, you can use that for a little while. But we got to get for what I'm seeing. Don't mean to pick it apart. The trunk pan, I agree. This is okay. The upper shelf is starting to. You can blast that and maybe coat it with that gray stuff again. Maybe cover up that. But the trunk for sure, yes, got to go. Yeah, and we won't know until we get underneath it to see what's the rest. Then, you know, the interior switch around, But again, I know what you're saying. They're not making more of them, and the prices are going up and down. But we're gonna see. Maybe they come down later, or maybe they won't.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
And I was about to buy this 64 convertible in North Carolina.
So,
But and it was, with the brackets, it
Uh-huh.
was already busted and gone. I was like,
So that car that was in that yard, was that a hardtop or a convertible car?
It's hardtop.
Okay, because I didn't want to touch nothing.
Yeah, no,
Because
that's
if you saw the video, I walked and I was like,
yeah,
like this. I like, don't touch it, because I don't know who watching me. And so,
you know what?
And I said, hello.
Because when I went over there, I just blown the horn, and I drive kind of the other truck went there. I drive kind of close to the road, where the guy come out.
Okay. And so I was just like, okay. I walked to the door. I went. I said the door was open actually, and the computer on. I'm like, and I said, let me put this right here. Let me walk away, because somebody come around now. Hey, is it white guy, black guy, Mexican guy? What?
It's a white guy.
It's a white guy. Yeah. So and looked at everything in that front yard was broken. So I'm like,
yeah, it looked like somebody was working outside.
Yeah. So I'm like,
He said he paint cars. He do body.
Well, the stuff that I saw painted in that yard did not look too good. From what I saw, he maybe had better work, but he had the white truck was painted, but you can see all the holes in the tailgate, the rust. I was like, why would you paint over that? So I'm like looking.
Even when he painted all the grill, all that stuff, you said,
yeah, and I see all the gold on the wheel. I said, is that paint or is that gold getting tarnished? I don't know. And so, but yeah, man, motor sounds real good, man. Yeah, it just.
Morning, man. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing? As you see what's out there, my man's an Impala man. And he said, Rob, I have one in the garage. As you see, and we try to negotiate with a man who know what he got. And he's like, yeah, guys, and whatever. Yeah. And he just talking. Let me walk around and praise you, man. Oh, he on the rims. Oh, let me turn the light on, man. A torch on. Who did your mural work?
Some guy from Texas.
Oh.
Yeah, he come over here and stay for a while. This is so fucking smooth.
Wow, you even did the visor metal. Man, I ain't never seen that before.
Beautiful car, man. Yeah, with beautiful piece of artwork. Yeah, man. Time little by little.
Yeah.
For years, but you got it, huh?
Yeah.
There you sit back and just smile at this bitch now.
So what's the?
How you take it out?
Yesterday.
How hard is
Yeah, my little girl was birthday. I was like, where you wanna go?
how hard is it to see out that back window? You can't. It's not really usable, huh? But it looks good. It looks gangster. And that's why I see him. I was like,
The
man.
top has been like almost 2 months old. They just put it on that.
Real?
Yeah.
I don't worry about it. Pull the top down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trust me, man. Shit. When the paint shop stayed like almost a year. I'm like, man, he said it's supposed to be 4 months. So finally I got my car back. But now that my parts was on, so I bought all the extra parts and painted it black. So that way I can drive it.
Yeah, you ready to drive, yeah.
And I still got to put the grill. I got the grill back in the
Oh.
I got a lot of pieces extra, like the radiator
Yeah,
support.
I see it. Yeah,
I put it on because I don't want to put it on, and I'm gonna have to take it out to paint the firewall because the guy was supposed to paint the firewall. He didn't.
Ooh, smooth.
There's a couple things, but my tree for the side is still haven't, but man.
See,
I don't care how little. Hey, when you're driving, you always put attention.
I'm already looking in the background. It say go this way. I take this way. It says 6 minutes longer. I go around this way. And I said, okay, I'm gonna see something out here. I stopped at the junkyards, asked a few questions, and people like, what do you want one of those for? We ain't got none of those, And so, okay,
The paint job is nasty.
man, yeah, I
That
like.
chrome, though.
Because I've also
Fucking chrome.
had cars painted in Tijuana,
Okay.
and so that's where a lot of my cars.
Oh, you take it to the one?
It's
I try to bring. So I went over there, but man, I have to. I buy another hood
Mhm.
because he would say, "Oh, I can fix it." I don't want to.
I don't want to bondo. I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to see no body work. I want to be
He
clean.
started getting, better. Every friends that have, that know the people paint shop, whatever painters, man, they always.
Don't do it, that guy. Don't deal with that guy. Okay, I got a question for you. On this, but on the front, is yours chromed?
Yes.
How hard was it to get that out of there?
It's kind of
It looked like you got
how you put it in the back.
Yes,
they have,
it's got the rivet.
Like a little, yeah.
It looked like you had to cut it and maybe glue it back in or something.
Yes, that's what
I
the
was
only
thinking.
thing.
Yeah.
Glue and clean it. You can probably cut it and then bend a little bit, and then try to take the shit out like that. That's the only friends that show me that. I was like,
Yeah, because I was in Pomona.
This is two car freaks. This is true. It's like watching fucking it's like watching Garage Squad. Y'all talking about cars. It's a trip, bro.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here
And
fucked
so,
up.
well, yeah, man. Okay, now I know I can't bullshit you no more and go down on the price because you know what you got. And so I'm like, and he's been running the whole time. So the only thing I gotta decide is what Bill say and if I can keep it in his driveway because and he's like,
hey, somebody's gonna come and ask it. Hey, you selling it?
and so that would mean I would have to, when I fly back to California on Monday, I need to get back in my truck and come right back with my trailer and get it. Because he like, Robert, come on, man. You can't leave this car in my driveway. I buy a pickup truck. I leave it in his driveway for about a month. One time out here, I had a friend come pick it up. And
But
so,
no, he had me loaded up with a bunch of shit. Too. hey, they got them sodas out there. Like, get them, put them in the truck. All right.
here's some more money. Go get the peach soda because you can't get peach soda in California. And so I said, go fill the whole back up with sodas.
Had me all over town buying peach sodas. Every fucking Walmart in the world. Stuck the whole back into the truck. Yeah.
And so,
These light went up.
oh yeah, I can see it. It don't work no
I
more.
was working. I was like,
Okay. So you won't go to 8, huh? 8.5? 9, that's it.
yeah, I mean, I go down at night because, man, I need it.
You can do some stuff with the other money. You can do some things. But 8, you can't do nothing with 8, huh? Okay, I just gotta ask, I'm trying to work a deal here, Well, my next question is, but you say you only have bill of sale? You don't have the pink slip or?
No. When I buy in Georgia, you don't have to have
No title?
Bill, no title.
Oh, okay.
To registration the car. The guy, he take the car, I give him a bill sale, and the police come and
come and
make sure the car is not stolen, whatever.
Oh, they come and do that.
He take the paper, yeah.
Okay. So when the paperwork you have is the bill of sale and the verification paper?
Yes.
So you have those two papers then?
Yeah. Well, I got the bill sale only right now because you see the tag was a 99. And shit, I don't know about where's the registration paper. But I got the bill sale. Like I say, if you want to, we call police with the paper, make sure the car everything is legit, and you check it. That's how the other car I did it.
Okay, how the other car
I
you
don't
do
have
it?
no VIN.
Okay. So the VIN is good on here. Let me see. You got the there's supposed to be a cow tag somewhere around here. Okay, so we got the cow tag, and then we got should be one in the door right here. See, door. Okay, and it pretty solid. Okay. So my question, windshield trim is done also?
Yeah.
Oh.
All this trim.
Wow.
All this trim. When you open it, you see all that.
It's on that part right there.
It's all everything is engraved.
Hey, I am telling you.
So how much did you end up spending?
I spent for the suspension and this. It was about 10,500.
So
because
was
I
that
did it all together.
Was that with the chrome getting done and engraved, or you already had it chromed?
No, the chrome was 4,000 more.
So
It was like 14,000.
so what dude is saying 15,000 and he giving you all the parts with the Toyota rear end, disc brakes, everything. That's a good price.
All the air arms and all that shit.
Yeah, that's what the dude is selling on. I saw it on one of the Impala pages. And I was
But
like,
he asked you for the core?
No, I didn't. He did. I didn't see nothing said core. It just said.
Most of the people that selling it, they ask you for the part.
Oh, for the other parts in return, because it had it said Toyota rear end, the wishbone thing, all the stuff, and it was on airbag stuff.
But see, that I think mine was 14,000, but all the inside.
All the inside stuff,
it
yeah.
was more than what the guy just selling the suspension.
Yeah.
The guy was only selling the suspension for 15,000.
Yeah, the 15.
And I paid 15,000 for.
You take everything.
Mirrors. Yeah.
Okay. And you get it done where at?
In Texas.
In Texas. Yeah. So there's what part of Texas are we talking?
Dallas.
In Dallas. So there's a lot of lowrider stuff going on in Dallas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, they did this chrome. Oh, I ain't never seen no shit like that.
You never. Bill don't be around cars a lot.
All these.
Well, you gotta confuse me, man. I'm not a car bro.
Oh yeah. Oh, even the bezels.
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah. You go to many shows with it?
Yes.
They like it?
Yeah, they like it. I haven't been a couple of shows this year. I'm going to one in Florida. October 24th, 27th. And it's one in Texas on the 24th this month. I might go in a month now.
So do you are your mollies going to be back by that time, or are you just going to take it anyway?
I'll take it like this.
Yeah, take it like this.
I
Yeah.
want to drive it. Like I was telling him.
Yeah.
Man, it's missing a lot of parts, but
I want to drive it. I spend all this money just to be looking at it. I need to be out there and be seen. I see you have other chrome parts. Those are parts you had before that you know. Before you got.
Yeah, before my chrome was coming.
Okay. So you have backup parts.
Yeah. Because man, like I told you, the guy take a long time.
Oh, you're gonna put that in too?
Yeah, I still want to put this and this. The well.
Oh, the fender wells. Oh, so they're not in now? Are they?
No, they're not.
Not in yet. Okay, but yeah, with these. Oh man. Oh yeah, I see.
100%, but hey, I want to drive it, man. I want.
Yeah, I want to take the top down, let it be seen.
Like I told him, I got the grill over there. Behind this grill is another grill.
Yeah, I see it.
The chrome grill is from this car too.
Because I have one from my car. Like I said, all the parts that you have engraved from here down, I bought them and then I had them re-chromed.
Yeah,
all these pieces. Yeah, all 18 of these damn things I got done. Yeah. And then they said this one burnt up, so they gave me another one. And I didn't even check to see if it was the right or left side. I don't know. Yeah. So we'll find out whenever I put the car together.
When you put it, you can tell.
Yeah. And so I didn't even bother to see, but I should look before it's too long. It's been done for 3 years, just sitting in my garage storage. So it might be too late. I have to buy another piece and get it done if it's the wrong one.
I mean, you really can see the fucking. I was nowhere looking with my phone. I'm like, damn, what the fuck? I look up. I said, oh shit, that shit on the wall. I'm talking. Damn, you can see the shit on the ceiling into this, bro. I mean, it's just beautiful, man. It's just beautiful. Wow.
And it's still running, y'all. It's still running. We've been here for a minute and it's still running. Let me hit the gas one time on it.